Hey, if you're a business owner and you know you're losing sales because you're not answering the phones all the time, every time it rings, I'm going to show you a way you can fix that overnight using AI. So my name is Dr. Marcella Wilson, and what we're going to do right now is we're going to call one of my AI receptionists, and I will show you how it works in action. I'm just going to call it right now.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hello, this is our AI receptionist demo. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Great. Let's start by getting some basic information. Could you please tell me your first name?
Marcella
Thanks, Marcella. And your last name?
Wilson.
Got it. Marcella Wilson, nice to meet you. What's the name of your business?
My business is the Tiny House Business.
Thanks. So your business is called the Tiny House Business, correct?
Correct.
Wonderful. Congratulations on your business, the Tiny House Business. What's the best email address to send the demo details?
info@tinyhousebusiness.com.
Got it. So that's info@tinyhousebusiness.com, correct?
Correct.
Perfect. And what's a good cell phone number for you?
301-123-4567.
Thanks. So that's 301-123-4567, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. Now let's talk about your business. What services do you offer?
We build tiny houses for people.
Got it. You build tiny houses for people. That's fantastic. What's the main goal when customers call you? Is it booking appointments, getting estimates, or something else?
They usually want someone to come out and look at their property and see if we can build a tiny house there, or they are calling for, a lot of people call for information, like how tiny are the houses and what does it entail.
Perfect. So your main goals are property assessments to see if a tiny house can be built and providing detailed information about the dimensions and construction process. That's really helpful to know. Now let's move on to the demo. I'll show you how an AI assistant can help with sales and customer service. During the demo, feel free to ask any questions the customer might have. Here we go. Hello, this is Rachel with the Tiny House Business. How can I help you today?
Yeah, my daughter just graduated from college and she's moving back home, but we don't want her in our house. We want to actually build a tiny house for her. And we want to know our options.
We can definitely help with that. We specialize in building tiny houses tailored to your needs. We start by assessing your property to see what's possible and then go over design options, sizes, and features that would work best for your daughter. Would you like to schedule a property assessment or get more detailed information about the process?
No, we could schedule.
Great. Let me check what's available for a property assessment. One moment. Here are the available slots. On Thursday, April 2nd at 10 a.m. or 1 p.m. On Friday, April 3rd at 9 a.m. or 12:30 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Friday at 12:30 will be good. My daughter should be up by then.
You're all set for Friday, April 3rd at 12:30 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly at info@tinyhousebusiness.com. Did you find this demo helpful? Would you like me to book a quick call with Dr. Wilson to get this set up for your business?
Yes.
Here are the available slots for a call with Dr. Wilson, Thursday, April 2nd at 10 a.m. or 1 p.m. Friday, April 3rd at 9 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Can you send me a booking link?
Sending you the link now. The booking link has been sent. You can use it to schedule a call with Dr. Wilson at your convenience. Thank you so much, Marcella. I'm excited about what this could do for the tiny house business. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Bye.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Bye. Isn't that cool? Now imagine that for your business.